Checking your account balance on Slack is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your balance information. Step 1. Open Slack. Launch the Slack application on your device or access it through a web browser by visiting the Slack website. Step 2. Sign in. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the account settings. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Slack interface. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences or Account Settings. Step 4. Locate billing information. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Billing or Subscription. Click on it to view your billing details, including your account balance. Step 5. Review your balance. Once in the billing section, you should see your current account balance displayed clearly. Take note of any relevant details regarding your subscription or payment history. Now you can easily check your account balance on Slack whenever needed.